celebrity we are shooting is Aindrita. She's been nominated twice for the Filmfare as a Best Actor. She's best known for her critically acclaimed role called Devika in a movie Manasare. And here she's supporting Karnataka Bulldozers.
Aindrita, second outfit is a little dress from Kalazani Moda. It has a deep neck to it and it's a short dress, and I gave her a scarf and I tied a little knot on the sides, which actually looked quite cool really, and she was placed on a platform. She posed lying on the platform with nice backdrop, so I think even that picture has come out really very sensually sexy. This is Aindrita, as you all know. I was supposed to work with Aindrita before, but I just couldn't. So when she walked into my hotel room for trials last night, I was really happy to see her, also because she's in great shape. So as I said, it was the quickest trials, so I was really pleased and looking forward to working with Aindrita today. And we started off with a bikini straight away because she's one of the few girls on the calendar who is fantastically comfortable with her own body. Today we gave her, I gave her a bikini straight away to start with. So it was quite...
let me clear this. I've never ever done a bikini shoot before
really?
This. But I had so much confidence in you that I just went straight at it.
Thank you very much.
You made me look really nice. I'm really happy with the way the shoots come out, and I want to thank you, Nishchay. It was great working with you, very comfortable, and hope to work with you soon again in the future.
Of course, and thank you for making my clothes look good. So I'm really glad you carried off everything so well, and it was one of the quickest shoots also, so yeah. It's all good.